like I said, I'm gonna freeze a pony. And I don't know why my camera's so blurry. I think it's in the sun. I don't know. So I'm gonna freeze Diamond Tiara like the baby and such life. And I want it to be brand new and all that. So there's a little hide and seek thing. But I don't think it should be in there, so I can't do a video tonight. I'm sorry. Let me just fill it up with water. Let's get her out. Oh, because she's a little pony, she is floating, it looks like. Woohoo! She's floating now. You have to cover her. It's actually blue to cover, but my camera's everything with blue, with orange. That's all I know. It's like everything that's nice blue, like your old turquoise. I'm sure this is gonna close right. So sorry about this. Close right. Yeah, it's not closed. I don't think there's the right cap for it. Oh, it's the wrong way. Yes, the wrong one. Okay, so I just bring it over here. Bring it over. Open the fridge. Oh shit. Okay, let's just put in a nice bucket. I don't want to drop this. And there she is in the freezer right there. Okay, so that's the freezer pony. So my next video would be me opening it and cracking it. It's gonna be really, really weird, and everything else will happen. So yeah, next video would be me. Or probably another Senseless Life, and I can't because I need the baby in the next one. So bye.